exploring the fascinating world of dugongs. The dugong, often referred to as nature's gentle marine herbivore, captivates the hearts of those who learn about it. This serene creature, resembling a sea cow, graces the warm coastal waters where it quietly grazes on seagrass beds. As the only strictly marine herbivorous mammal, the dugong plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. Their presence ensures the vitality of underwater meadows, which are not only their food source, but also a breeding ground for many marine species. Understanding the life of a dugong involves delving into their unique habitat and behaviors. These creatures favor the shallow, warm waters found in the Indo-Pacific region, thriving in areas that provide ample seagrass. Dugongs are known for their solitary nature, although females and their calves often form a tight-knit bond. Their day is predominantly spent foraging for food, surfacing for air, and occasionally interacting with other dugongs in a gentle manner. When it comes to their diet, dugongs are quite particular. They feed almost exclusively on seagrass, using their bristled, sensitive snouts to uproot their meals. This diet is not only a testament to their role as marine gardeners, but also shapes the coastal seagrass communities. The meticulous feeding patterns of dugongs create a unique environment that supports a diverse range of marine life, underlining their importance in their underwater realm. The evolutionary journey of dugongs is a fascinating tale of adaptation from land to sea. These creatures share a common ancestor with elephants, which is evident in their skeletal structure and tusks. Over millions of years, dugongs have evolved to become perfectly suited to a life in the water, developing a streamlined body for efficient swimming and a lung placement that allows them to stay submerged while feeding. Distinguishing dugongs from their close relatives, the manatees, is an interesting study in marine biology. While both belong to the order Serenity, dugongs sport a fluked dolphin-like tail compared to the paddle-like tail of manatees. Additionally, dugongs have a more streamlined body and prefer saltwater habitats, unlike the freshwater or brackish environments favored by manatees. These differences highlight the diverse adaptations of these gentle giants to their respective environments. Breeding habits of dugongs present a fascinating aspect of their marine life. These gentle giants are known for their lengthy gestation period, which can last up to 14 months. Such an extensive reproductive process hints at the care and investment dugongs place in their offspring, ensuring the survival of their kind in the vast ocean. Mating rituals, observed infrequently due to their elusive nature, reveal a complex interaction that balances between competition and cooperation among males for the attention of a receptive female. The importance of seagrass to dugong survival cannot be overstated. This marine herbivore relies entirely on seagrass beds for nourishment, consuming up to 40 kilograms of seagrass daily. This diet not only sustains the dugong, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy seagrass ecosystems. Their feeding patterns help in the aeration of seagrass beds and the removal of dead plant matter, which in turn supports a diverse marine habitat. Dugongs have long captured the human imagination, weaving their way into the folklore of coastal communities. They are often shrouded in myths and legends, sometimes being mistaken for mermaids by ancient mariners. These tales, while fantastical, underscore the deep connection and fascination humans have with these serene marine creatures. The cultural significance of dugongs in folklore highlights their impact on human culture and the mystery they bring to the oceans. Understanding the social structure of dugongs sheds light on their complex behaviors. Contrary to popular belief, dugongs exhibit a variety of social patterns, ranging from solitary lives to forming small groups known as herds. These gatherings are often temporary, driven by the abundance of seagrass or the need for mating, showcasing their adaptability and the dynamic nature of their social interactions within their aquatic realm. How dugongs communicate remains one of the most intriguing aspects of their behavior. despite their generally quiet nature, dugongs use a range of sounds and signals to interact with one another, especially between mothers and calves. These vocalizations are crucial for maintaining social bonds and navigating the often murky waters of their seagrass habitats. Understanding these sounds not only helps in the study of dugong behavior, but also in conservation efforts, aiding in the tracking and protection of these gentle sea cows. Dugongs, also known as sea cows, face numerous threats that jeopardize their survival in marine environments. Predominantly, their lives are at risk due to habitat destruction, primarily from coastal development and water pollution. These activities degrade the seagrass beds that are crucial for dugong survival, limiting their feeding grounds and leading to a decline in population. Additionally, climate change exacerbates these challenges by altering the marine ecosystem in ways that further threaten the delicate balance dugongs depend on. Conservation efforts for dugongs are multifaceted, aiming to address the dire circumstances these gentle creatures face. Governments and environmental organizations worldwide are working together to implement protective laws, establish marine protected areas, and conduct research to better understand dugong habitats and behaviors. Public awareness campaigns also play a significant role in conservation, educating people on the importance of dugongs to the marine ecosystem and encouraging community involvement in their protection. Dugongs possess unique adaptations that have allowed them to thrive in marine environments for millions of years. Their bodies are perfectly suited for a life spent grazing on seagrass, with a streamlined shape for easy swimming and a specially adapted muzzle that helps them feed on the ocean floor. They have dense bones that enable them to stay submerged while feeding and large lungs that run along the length of their body, allowing for efficient gas exchange during their infrequent trips to the surface. The first year of life for a dugong calf is both fascinating and perilous. Calves are born after a gestation period of about 13 months, during which they depend entirely on their mothers for nutrition and protection. This critical period involves learning to navigate their aquatic environment, find food, and avoid predators. The bond between mother and calf is strong, with the calf often seen close to its mother's side, hinting at the social nature of these creatures despite their generally solitary lifestyle. Dugongs play a crucial role in their ecosystem, far beyond what their humble appearance might suggest. By feeding on seagrass, they act as vital gardeners of the marine environment, ensuring that seagrass beds are healthy and productive. This activity not only maintains the habitat for a myriad of other marine species, but also helps in carbon sequestration, highlighting the importance of dugongs in combating climate change and preserving marine biodiversity. Dugong migration patterns have long fascinated scientists, revealing a complex interplay between these gentle giants and their marine environment. These marine mammals embark on seasonal journeys in search of warmer waters or abundant seagrass meadows, their primary food source. Understanding these movements is crucial for their conservation, as it helps protect their habitats from human encroachment and environmental degradation. Human interactions with dugongs have a storied history, ranging from reverence to exploitation. In some cultures, dugongs are seen as mythical creatures, embodying the spirit of the sea. However, their allure has also led to hunting and habitat destruction. Efforts to minimize human impact are vital for their survival, promoting a harmonious coexistence that ensures the dugong's place in the marine ecosystem. The cultural significance of dugongs varies across the globe, deeply rooted in folklore and tradition. Indigenous communities, especially in the Pacific Islands and parts of Australia, have long revered these creatures, incorporating them into their myths, songs, and dances. This reverence has played a role in traditional conservation practices that respect the dugong and its habitat. Dugong research and studies have shed light on many aspects of their mysterious lives, from their complex social structures to their unique feeding habits. Scientists use a variety of tools, such as aerial surveys and satellite tracking, to to gather data on dugong populations and behavior. This research is essential for developing effective conservation strategies and understanding the ecological role of dugongs in marine ecosystems. The future of dugongs hangs in a delicate balance, with predictions and possibilities dependent on human action and environmental changes. Conservation efforts are increasingly important in the face of threats like climate change, habitat loss, and illegal hunting. By protecting the dugong, we safeguard an integral part of the marine ecosystem, preserving its majesty for future generations to marvel at and learn from. Dugong sightings are a rare and magical experience, often reserved for those who venture into the warm coastal waters where these serene creatures graze on seagrass beds. Observing a dugong in its natural habitat offers a glimpse into an ancient world where these gentle giants move with a grace that belies their size. Their presence in the wild, often in shallow, clear waters, makes certain regions hotspots for wildlife enthusiasts eager to catch a sight of these elusive marine mammals. Rescuing dugongs has become a beacon of hope in the conservation community, highlighting the successful collaboration between scientists, local communities, and conservationists. Each rescue story is a testament to the dedication of those committed to the survival of this species. These efforts not only help save individual dugongs, but also raise awareness about the threats they face, from entanglement in fishing nets to loss of habitat, underscoring the importance of preserving their marine environment for future generations. The anatomy of a dugong is uniquely adapted to its aquatic lifestyle, featuring a fusiform body that minimizes drag in the water and a fluked tail that provides powerful propulsion. Their nostrils, located on top of their heads, allow for easy breathing at the surface. Additionally, their bristled, sensitive snouts are perfectly designed for foraging on the seafloor, making them efficient grazers of seagrass, the cornerstone of their diet. Dugong predators include a variety of large marine creatures such as sharks, orcas, and crocodiles, yet human activities pose the greatest threat to their survival. Natural predation plays a role in the ecosystem's balance, but it is the human impact through habitat destruction, pollution, and boat strikes that has led to a significant decline in dugong populations. Protecting these gentle giants from their natural and human-induced threats is crucial for their conservation. The debate around dugongs in captivity highlights the ethical considerations of keeping such large migratory marine mammals in confined spaces. While some argue that captivity aids in research and raises public awareness, others contend that it can never fully replicate the natural conditions dugongs need to thrive, such as vast seagrass beds for grazing. This ongoing debate underscores the complexity of conservation efforts and the need for a balanced approach that prioritizes the well-being and survival of dugongs in the wild. Dugongs grace the waters of over 40 countries, showcasing a global distribution that spans the warm coastal regions of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. This wide range intrigues scientists and conservationists alike, highlighting the adaptability of these serene marine mammals. Their presence from the east coast of Africa to Vanuatu underscores the ecological diversity necessary for their survival, emphasizing the importance of international collaboration in conservation efforts to protect their habitats from degradation and ensure their continued existence. Climate change stands as a formidable challenge to dugongs, affecting their survival in several profound ways. Rising sea temperatures and altered ocean currents disrupt the delicate balance of seagrass ecosystems, the primary food source for dugongs. The degradation of these underwater meadows not only threatens their food supply, but also impacts their breeding and migration patterns. This underscores the urgent need for comprehensive climate action plans that include the preservation of marine habitats to ensure the future of these gentle giants. Legal frameworks play a pivotal role in the conservation of dugongs, offering a beacon of hope for their future. Various international and national laws aim to protect these marine mammals from harm and their habitats from destruction. These legal efforts are critical in combating the myriad of threats they face, from illegal hunting to habitat loss. By strengthening and enforcing these laws, societies worldwide can contribute to the safeguarding of dugongs, ensuring they remain a thriving part of our natural heritage. Dugongs exhibit fascinating feeding behaviors, meticulously grazing on seagrass meadows in a manner that resembles terrestrial cows. This unique dietary habit makes them vital for the health of coastal ecosystems, acting as natural lawnmowers that help maintain the diversity and productivity of seagrass habitats. Understanding their feeding patterns is crucial for conservation efforts, as it allows for the development of strategies to protect and restore the seagrass beds that are essential for their survival. The economic impact of dugongs, particularly through ecotourism, highlights their value beyond mere ecological significance. Regions where dugongs are present benefit from increased tourism, as these marine mammals attract nature enthusiasts keen on witnessing their serene grace. This economic incentive provides a compelling reason for communities to engage in dugong conservation, showcasing the potential for a harmonious balance between human development and the preservation of natural wonders. Dugong myths are as vast and mysterious as the oceans they inhabit. Often mistaken for mermaids by ancient sailors, these gentle creatures have sparked imagination and folklore across cultures. However, many of these enchanting tales overshadow the scientific facts. Dugongs are strictly herbivorous marine mammals, relying on seagrass for nutrition, not the omnivorous human-interacting creatures of myth. Debunking such myths is crucial for understanding and protecting these serene animals, ensuring they are appreciated for their true nature and not just the legend surrounding them. The role of dugong mothers in the survival of their species is profoundly significant. These maternal giants invest considerable effort and care in rearing their young, often nursing them for 18 months or longer. This extended period of dependency highlights the vulnerability of dugong calves and the importance of protecting their habitats. The dedication of dugong mothers ensures the passing of crucial survival skills to their offspring, underlining the need for conservation efforts to focus on safeguarding these nurturing environments for future generations. Dugong vocalizations are a fascinating aspect of their behavior, offering insights into their social interactions and emotional states. These underwater calls, which can range from chirps to whistles and barks, play a vital role in communication among dugongs, especially between mothers and their calves. Understanding these sounds not only sheds light on the complex social structures of dugongs, but also aids researchers in monitoring their populations and health, contributing to more effective conservation strategies. The integration of technology in dugong conservation represents a beacon of hope for these marine mammals. From satellite tracking to drone surveillance, modern tools are revolutionizing the way scientists study and protect dugongs. These technologies allow for real-time monitoring of dugong movements, health, and habitat use, enabling more precise and effective conservation measures. By harnessing the power of technology, conservationists can better safeguard dugong populations, ensuring their survival for generations to come. The symbiotic relationship between dugongs and seagrass meadows is a marvel of the marine ecosystem. Dugongs act as gardeners of the sea, grazing on seagrass beds, which helps maintain the health and growth of these underwater meadows. In turn, healthy seagrass ecosystems support a diverse range of marine life, including the dugongs themselves. This interdependence highlights the importance of conserving seagrass habitats as a cornerstone of dugong survival, urging a holistic approach to marine conservation that benefits the entire ecosystem. The mysterious lives of dugongs have long captivated scientists and marine enthusiasts alike. These gentle marine mammals lead a quiet existence, predominantly feeding on seagrasses in shallow coastal waters. Unraveling the secrets of their underwater world is vital to understanding not just their behaviors and preferences, but also the intricacies of marine ecosystems themselves. By studying dugongs, researchers can gain insights into the health of the marine environment and the challenges faced by other marine species. Dugongs have been a source of inspiration in art and literature, symbolizing serenity and the profound mysteries of the sea. Their gentle nature and elusive lifestyle have sparked the imagination of many, leading to their depiction in various cultural expressions around the world. These portrayals not only highlight the beauty and wonder of dugongs, but also serve as a reminder of our connection to the natural world and the importance of preserving such magnificent creatures for future generations. The health of dugongs is a critical indicator of the overall well-being of their habitats. These animals are susceptible to a range of diseases and conditions, yet they also have remarkable natural healing abilities. Researchers are keen to understand these health patterns, as they can provide crucial information on the impacts of pollution, climate change, and human activity on marine ecosystems. Ensuring the health of dugong populations is essential for the conservation of biodiversity in our oceans. Dugong population trends offer valuable insights into the state of marine conservation efforts. Tracking the numbers and distribution of dugongs helps scientists assess the effectiveness of protection measures and identify areas where further action is needed. A decline in dugong populations often signals underlying problems in the ecosystem, such as habitat loss or degradation, underscoring the need for comprehensive marine conservation strategies. In conclusion, the majestic dugong is more than just a marine mammal. It is a symbol of the ocean's vast wonders and a reminder of the importance of conservation. Preserving dugongs and their habitats is crucial, not only for their survival, but also for maintaining the health and diversity of marine ecosystems. As we continue to uncover the secrets of their mysterious lives, we must also commit to protecting these gentle giants and the underwater world they inhabit.